In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and link an Excel sheet directly into your PowerPoint 2016 presentation. This is a great way to add dynamic data and keep your presentations informative and engaging. Now let's break down the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the presentation you want to work on ready. If it's not already open, go ahead and launch it now. Once your presentation is open and ready to edit, you'll navigate to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. The Insert tab houses a variety of tools you can use to enhance your slides, but today we'll be focusing on how to bring an Excel file into play. With the Insert tab open, look for the Object option. This tool is perfect for embedding files such as Excel spreadsheets into your presentation. Give it a click. A new window will pop up, offering you a couple of options on how you can insert your object. In this window, you'll want to select the Create from File option. This tells PowerPoint that you'll be selecting an existing file rather than creating something new directly within PowerPoint. Next, click on the Browse button. This will open up your File Explorer on your computer. Now, find that Excel file you want to insert. Take some time to ensure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have many similar documents. Once you've found it, select it by clicking on the file and then pressing Open. This action won't immediately insert the file, but it sets the stage for that next crucial step. Before clicking OK, it's important to consider how you want the Excel file to appear in your presentation. There is an option labeled Display as Icon. By checking this box, you allow the Excel file to appear as an icon within your slide, which can be a neat way to keep your presentation uncluttered. If your goal is to simply have the spreadsheet available as an attachment rather than visibly incorporated into the slide, displaying it as an icon might be the best choice for you. Finally, with all your options set, it's time to click OK. Doing so will insert your Excel file into the slide as an object, either as an icon or embedded data, depending on the choices you made. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Excel worksheet into your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, the key benefit of linking an Excel sheet in PowerPoint is that it allows for easy updates and can keep your data presentation ready with minimal effort. Whenever the Excel file is updated, you can refresh your presentation, saving time and ensuring accuracy. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorial videos to make your presentation stand out.